Hi everyone! So today we are going to be making doodle portraits. That's right, you can draw yourself in doodle form or maybe even your friends. So this is really fun, really easy. Even if you are a beginner, I promise this is very simple. So what's fun about these is that you can draw these on a friend's birthday card, and they make everything just a little bit more special because who doesn't love to see themselves in doodle form? So follow along with me. All you're gonna need is a piece of paper, some pens to draw with, and a little bit of imagination. Thanks for watching. Okay, so to begin your doodle portrait, you're gonna wanna start by drawing a U shape. And it does not have to be perfect. Now you can draw in the neck and the base of the body right here, but if you don't want to, if you're going to have like long hair that's covering it, you might want to do your hair first. Depends on whether you're going to put long or short hair. So for mine, my hair is actually going to be put up, so I'm going to go ahead and draw the base right now. So what I do is I just draw two curved lines for the neck here, and I just do some lines kind of straight out. And then I just draw this big half circle shape, connect those two. And then I draw the shirt line right there. And what's fun about this is that you can actually decorate the clothing however you like. So you can think of something that you like to wear and you can doodle that in. So now it's time for the hair. So think about what type of hair you like. So for curly, obviously I did wavy lines here. This one had a ponytail, so I tried to do some swooping motions. This one had just straight bangs. So think about what kind of hairstyle your self-portrait in doodle form is going to have. So for me, I have side bangs. So I'm going to draw a curved shape that way and a curved shape that way. And then I'm just going to draw a round shape to close that off. And then, since I always wear my hair in a bun, I am going to go ahead and put a half circle right here. Now, I could easily have left my hair halfway up, halfway down, and just continued and drawn hair going down this way as well. So now we'll go back to the hair in a little bit, but now we'll go back to the face. I'm going to add my ears in. Okay. And then the next thing I'm going to do is draw my eyes in. So the eyes, I like to have the eyes kind of a little bit far apart. I think it looks pretty cute that way. So that's what we'll go ahead and do. And then you can draw a little smile mouth, that's easier, or if you want to be ambitious, you can try to draw some lips. And then I just do a little dash for a nose, draw in some brows, just a little parentheses type of lines. And then for my hair, I think it looks really nice to go ahead and add lines into the hair. So just start following the lines that you already made and just kind of randomly adding in more lines. And you'll find that this will make the hair look really detailed, but it's not that easy. It's not that difficult to do. It's really quite easy. I'll go ahead and do it in this direction up here. And then I'll go back to my shirt over here. So I think I'll put some flowers on my shirt. So I'll just do some little popcorn shapes. And that's the fun of this, is you get to pick what you would like to wear. And as you can see, I've done that with all these here. These are really fun to draw on people's birthday cards. You can try to draw your friends, and usually people like that. Thanks for watching.